Ready to simplify lifecycle management with autonomous workflows in Josys? Onboarding and offboarding should not be a stressful fire drill for IT admins and managed service providers, but a simple set of rules that trigger access actions. Begin with automating onboarding to auto-assign apps to new employees based on attributes like their role or department. This workflow is configured to run when a user becomes active or reaches their start date, with more detailed conditions and future enhancements, including running at specific times like weekdays at 8 a.m. Choose which applications to auto-provision, noting the intelligent automatic naming of workflows as you add single or multiple applications. Let's proceed to the conditional step, where you can refine this workflow to apply only to specific user profiles by department, job title, or other attributes. Let's apply this workflow to all full-time employees. Finally, create an action to add these newly active users. Review the selected applications for customizations and edge cases highlighted in red. For example, some apps require a start date. Additionally, some require fallback tests for Josys admins. This is helpful when applications aren't yet available in our catalog for integration. For the summary step, incorporate additional fallback steps if, for instance, the add user action times out or fails, ensuring no automations are overlooked. Choose to keep the workflow enabled or disable it to save it as a draft. To fully automate the employee lifecycle management process, create an offboarding workflow. The process will be similar, but includes additional critical steps. Triggers are pre-configured, but now you can customize them with distinct user profile status changes for precise rules regarding deletion, suspension, or termination cases, with upcoming options for time-based delays and other customizations. Select applications for this offboarding workflow and apply any conditional options. This time, an optional access review is available to automatically notify app owners when a user is no longer active, ensuring app owners and IT admins can swiftly address security vulnerabilities. The survey's confirmatory question is also editable for specific contexts. Add an app owner if they are currently undefined. Then decide on the notification channels, such as email, Slack, and Teams. Finally, add an action to automatically remove users who respond no with similar application tabs for review. For instance, some applications like Google Workspace offer critical options for handling user profile data post-deprovisioning when employee data transfers align with internal policy to preserve IP. In the summary step, similar failure handling fallbacks are available. Crucially, decide whether to trigger this workflow after status changes or immediately execute it across all user profiles for a comprehensive cleanup with access reviews. Action summaries are provided below, with the option to preview actions prompted by survey responses. Let's save this workflow as a draft. Enabling these newly crafted workflows will unlock comprehensive automation, saving substantial time each month. Finally, monitor the status of workflows in the Run History view for an overview of how Josys is automating all your employee life cycles.